Hello friends! In this video I managed to find an abandoned exclusive car from the times of the USSR. It's a RAF-2203 Latvia, in a very deplorable condition, completely rusty and rotten. The wheels are flat, green moss has grown near the windshield. I haven't seen such for a long time. Please note, the rear trunk lid is closed with a chain and lock. I wonder why. How do you think? Maybe there is something valuable in the car? Or does anyone live there? If it's not difficult, write a couple of words. What do you think about it? Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye bye.